My name is Becky Tyndall. I'm a pharmacist working at the Bradford Royal Infirmary. In this video I'm going to show you how to prescribe a discharge prescription. So first things that we do, we'll go to Depart and go to Medicines Reconciliation and click on this icon here. So first thing, the losartan we're discontinuing. So we need to right mouse click on the medication name and click Cancel Discontinue. We need to select an appropriate reason. In this case, the reason is change in clinical status. When we're pulling the medication across onto the discharge prescription, we should pull across the item that's on the drug card, and this is indicated by this symbol here. And we need to tick in the middle column, which is under the pill pot. So the next item is the beclomethasone inhaler, and the dose has been increased. So we'll pull that across onto the discharge prescription, and we'll need to go into this. We'll need to put its admission medication, GPs to continue it, and the dose change, and put a reason in here. In this case, the dose is increased because of an asthma exacerbation. So the rest of the medication we'll pull across, making sure we pull across the inpatient items and use the middle column. Pregabalin is a controlled drug, so we need to specify the quantity that we want to be supplied. So it's a 75 milligrams, and the quantity that we want is 28. So we need to specify that in words and figures. So for the rest of the medication, you can see there's this symbol here, and this indicates we need to complete some more details. So we need to put we need to specify that it's admission medication. So we click yes, and yes if you want the GP to continue. So to move on to all the items where there's missing details, if you click on this here and it'll take you straight to them. There are some new items that have been started during this admission. So we've got the amoxicillin. So we pull that across onto the drug card using the middle column. There are some details that we need to enter here, so the duration. The duration is going to be 5 days. Admission medication, we need to click no. Right, so duration for amoxicillin needs to be specified. So it'll be 5 days. Admission medication, in this case we need to click no, and GP to continue, Again, we need to click no. Indication should be pulled across from the drug card, so check that there is an indication there. Other medication that we need to continue that has been newly prescribed this admission, we've got the furosemide. So we need to specify an indication. Admission medication, we need to click no. GP to continue, yes. And finally, the other new medication, we've got the prednisolone. Again, it's 5-day duration. Admission medication, no. GP to continue, no. And indication, asthma exacerbation. Right, next you need to click sign. And if you click OK, and then click sign. Because this is a control drug, you need to select the pharmacy copy to print out. So if you select the pharmacy copy from the drop-down box, the pharmacy copy will display the legal requirements, so the quantity that's needed to be supplied. So if you print this out, and then there's an area at the bottom where you need to sign as well. On this discharge letter here, you can see the various different areas. So you can see the medication that's been stopped, so the losartan. There's the admission medication that's been unchanged, so that was the majority of the regular pre-admission medication. And then the new medication is at the bottom. So this is the amoxicillin, the furosemide and the prednisolone. There is a section for medication that has changed, so that is the Clenil inhaler because the dose has been increased. So make sure that all the medication is in the appropriate section on the discharge letter.